Officially known as the NASA Wallops Flight Facility, this incredible site located on Wallops Island, Virginia, actually dates back to 1945 and predates NASA itself. It started its life as a test range for the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, or NACA, which is NASA's predecessor. And a few decades later, it became a branch of Goddard Space Flight Center. The nearby management and connection supports Goddard's broader objectives of climate modeling, heliophysics, and deep space astronomy with tools like James Webb Space Telescope. Today, 80 years later, Wallops stands as NASA's dedicated headquarters for small orbital and suborbital launches. I feel like I'm seeing a superhero right now. Its unique coastal location offers clear flight paths over the Atlantic, making it incredibly flexible and safe for a diverse range of missions. All from a meteor basin, the cosmic connection is almost poetic.
20 years ago, nothing as big as a baseball could be launched without the whole world's undivided attention. But today, we seem to have transformed that mysterious void, at least its nearer reaches, into our own private backyard laboratory. Out there, at the rate of almost one a day, scientists launch minor experiments to test and measure the world about us.
This facility is instrumental in launching a surprising array of missions in all manner and all form factors. Previously mentioned, excelling in small orbital and suborbital launches. This focus is key to our role in space exploration because if you want to go into space, you have to understand the layers of the atmosphere that happen below that. First up is suborbital launches. Wallops is a global leader in sounding rocket launches, and these aren't trying to reach orbit. Instead, they launch scientific instruments on short, powerful flights that arc into the upper atmosphere into near space environment. They're perfect for gathering scientific data on everything from the ionosphere and microgravity environments to testing new technologies and even carrying those student payloads that we'll see about soon. We also can't forget the massive scientific balloons that loft telescopes and instruments high into the atmosphere for long duration observation. And one of them even traveled 813 miles on one flight just 2 weeks ago. Then there are small orbital launches, and beyond NASA's own, Wallops also hosts a variety of private ventures like Rocket Lab, Northrop Grumman, and soon in 2026, Firefly Aerospace. These launches are capable of putting small satellites and CubeSats into low Earth orbit, and with the growing demand for dedicated small payload launches, Wallops offers a tailored and low-cost solution for these private ventures.
Spanning more than 6,000 acres, Wallops is home to an integrated launch range and research airport, fabrication, processing and testing facilities, scientific laboratories, modern range control center, instrumentation sites, and a highly capable, customer-oriented workforce.
The collaboration between these private ventures and government-funded NASA is the reason that Wallops Island is also colloquially known as the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport, or MARS, which, if you're asking me, once again, is possibly one of the best acronyms for any launch facility ever.